The Benin men are wonderful people, special people. They are unique people with a very great tradition and culture. There are things as a Benin man that should never be accepted, that is prohibited for a Benin man to accept to do when their wife or his wife has committed an abomination, infidelity in their home. As a Benin man, when a Benin man catches his wife with another man, he should let the family know about it. He should never hide his wife or keep his secrets from his families. A Benin man should always speak out in such cases. He should speak out and let the necessary sacrifice to be done. If he knows about the infidelity of his wife and he chooses to hide it from his families, it can cost him an early death. It is a great sacrilege for a man from the great Benin Kingdom to know that his wife has committed an abomination of infidelity and him hiding it from his own families. It can cost his early death. And as a Benin man, when he catches his wife with another man, the woman is not entitled to cook for him. It is highly prohibited. It is forbidden. This can also take his life if he allows her to cook for him. If a man from the great Benin Kingdom catches his wife with another man, probably the man gave her money, and some men will use that money thinking he wants to punish her. By accepting the money, collecting the money from the woman to use it and buy some foodstuff or to buy some drinks. If he drinks such drinks, he will have a running stomach that will lead to his death. As a great, wonderful, special, unique people from the great Benin Kingdom, our tradition is so powerful that when the rightful things are not done, it will be disastrous. As a Benin man, when he catches his wife with another man, he should never sleep with her. When he does, it will lead to his early death. Christianity doesn't stop people from worshiping, from doing the rightful thing when it comes to tradition. Even if the man is a pastor, even if the man is a Christian, a high believer, if he catches his wife committing an abomination, knowing his wife has done a great sacrilege, and he does any of those things that I just mentioned, he will lose his life. Christianity doesn't stop the ancestors from acting, from reacting from their actions Christianity can never stop it. Christianity can never stop the ancestors of their duties. So as a Benin man, they should also be careful from accepting infidelity in their homes because it is prohibited. When it happens, the rightful thing should be done. If it is not done, the man is bound to lose his life. That's the truth. That's the way it is in the Great Benin Kingdom. Thank you very much, my brothers and sisters. I am your sister Edonimose to the world.